Hey, Dave Cook coming at you. We're doing a quick video on doing touch-ups on actually repainting some trim. So I want to do a quick video on what we're using and how. I thought I could flip this, but I didn't. So I'll have to do it a different way. So one of the things we like to use for filling the holes is Crawford's. That's the spackle or filler that we use. And then we use a little knife, and that's how we get it in there. And then you're gonna need a caulk gun. And then this is the caulk that we use, Alex Fast Dry. And then you're gonna need a wet rag. And then finally, a spring set tool. And what this does, I just did it because I couldn't make it work. Let's see if I can make it work. It has a spring on it. You can kind of see that. So these nails that aren't quite set, you just kind of hit it, and then it creates a nice little hole in there. So with the spackle, all we're gonna do, once I open it, is we're gonna take that spackle with the little spackle knife, and we're gonna fill it. And we just take a little bit out. You don't need that much. And put it down there, and I wipe it one way, then the other. And make sure you do it two ways, otherwise, if you do it only once, you leave, in the end of it, you'll leave a small, like, crescent moon. And you don't want any crescent moons. You want it solid filled. And just go along the wall, any place where there's other holes. I couldn't quite get the spackle knife on this curve, so I'm just gonna use my finger and put it on there. And then I'm gonna take the wet rag. I'm actually just gonna wipe it off so it's smooth. And then now I'm take the caulk gun on the top. And one quick bead of caulk. And with the wet rag, I'm gonna wipe it off. And then on this bottom piece, it also needs to be caulked. So same thing, just a real light bead of caulk. Again, wet rag. And we'll wipe it clean. And there's one little nail here, it still didn't quite go all the way in. We'll hit that again. And it's kind of hard in this house because they put this trim in on the concrete. So some of these nails are really not wanting to go in very well. But we got that covered that time. And that's how it should look when you're done. All nice and smooth, clean, smooth finish. Any questions about trim prepping it, you can definitely give us a call to Franco Finishes. We're here to help you love the house you live in, and have a great day.